Imagine walking through the streets of ancient Egypt, where one of the most fascinating and mysterious practices took place: mummification. For over 3,000 years, this intricate process preserved the bodies of pharaohs and nobility, preparing them for their journey into the afterlife. The process began immediately after death. The body was taken to the embalming workshop known as the Beautiful House, where skilled embalmers worked their magic. First, they would wash the body with palm wine and rinse it with water from the Nile, considered sacred by the Egyptians. Then came the crucial part: removing the internal organs. The embalmers would make a careful incision on the left side of the abdomen. The lungs, stomach, liver, and intestines were removed and placed in special containers called canopic jars, each protected by a different god. Interestingly, they left the heart in place, believing it was the center of intelligence and emotions. The brain? Well, that's where things get really interesting. Using a long hook, they would carefully remove it through the nostrils, a technique that required incredible precision. After that, the body was covered with natron, a natural salt, and left to dry for about 40 days. But here's the remarkable part. Once the body was completely dried, the real artistry began. The embalmers would stuff the body with linen and sawdust to restore its natural shape. They'd paint the face, add false eyes, and even apply makeup. The body was then wrapped in hundreds of yards of linen bandages, with protective amulets placed between the layers. Finally, after about 70 days, the mummy was complete. They would place it in an ornate coffin, ready for its eternal journey. The entire process was accompanied by ritual prayers and ceremonies, reflecting the Egyptians' deep belief that preserving the body was crucial for the afterlife. Today, these mummies continue to fascinate us, telling stories of a civilization that mastered the art of defying death itself. It's incredible to think that through this meticulous process, they managed to preserve their loved ones so well that we can still study and learn from them thousands of years later.